Welcome to Travel English Pro. I'm Ruben. Today I'm sharing 10 essential English phrases to help you navigate check-in like a confident traveller. Whether you're arriving at a hotel in London, New York, or anywhere in between, knowing the right phrases can make your check-in smooth and stress-free. Let's get started. Number 1. I'd like to check in, please. Use this as your opener when approaching the reception or the front desk. It's polite, it's direct, and instantly signals your purpose. It's the tip: have your passport and your confirmation details ready to speed things up. Phrase 2. I have a reservation under the name Ruben. This phrase helps staff quickly find your booking. Tip: just double check that your reservation name matches your ID name for a smooth process. Phrase 3. Can I see the room, please? This is useful if you want to confirm that the room you've booked matches your expectations. This is especially useful for longer stays or special requests. As the tip, most hotels are happy to show you the room first. Just ask politely. Be clear if you have preferences like a high floor or a sea view. Phrase 4. Is breakfast included? This clarifies what's part of your stay and helps avoid surprises at checkout. Just a tip, ask about breakfast times and location as well. It's common for hotels to have separate dining areas and breakfast hours. Phrase 5. What's the Wi-Fi password? Essential for getting online and settling in. As the tip, some hotels require your room number or your last name to access their network. Note this if you have trouble connecting. Phrase 6. Could I have a late checkout, please? This is handy if your travel plans mean you'll need the room longer on departure day. As the tip, requesting this at check-in improves your chances. Some hotels may offer it for free. Others might charge a small fee. Phrase 7. Is there parking available? This is important if you're driving to the hotel. And just a tip, ask if parking is complimentary, or if it's paid, or whether you need a permit or a reserved spot. Phrase 8. Can I have an extra key, please? This is perfect if you're sharing a room or you want additional flexibility during your stay. So just a tip, mention all the guests who will need keys. Hotels may ask for ID for each person. Phrase 9. Could you keep my luggage after checkout? Very useful for sightseeing after checkout, before your next journey. Just a tip, many hotels offer free luggage storage for current or recent guests, but always ask for a receipt or a tag for retrieval. And phrase 10, could I have a wake-up call at 6 a.m? This helps ensure that you're up early for flights, meetings, or tours. Just a tip, confirm the call time in the hotel's local time zone. This is especially important if you've just changed time zones or you're jet lagged. Now you're equipped with key phrases to breeze through any hotel check-in. Try them out on your next trip and let me know which one helped you the most. If you found this video useful, give me a like, consider subscribing, and hit the bell to stay updated with more real-world English with me, Coach Ruben. This is Travel English Pro. Thank you for watching. Safe travels and happy stays. I'll see you in the next video.